While you are building your automation in n8n, it's very important to test your workflow very often. So for this, n8n offers several ways to proceed. The first one, of course, is this button here, the big orange button that you can access with the shortcut Command Enter. And this will run your workflow. As you can see, you have a little toaster at the bottom that says that the workflow ran successfully. And let's inspect what happened. The workflow has become green. All the nodes are surrounded in greens, and the line between the node, the connectors, are also into greens. And we see that we have little text informing us that there is one item flowing between each node. So if we open the first node, we see that the output is empty. If we navigate to the second node, we see that the input is empty, and the output will have a message. It's exactly what we wanted. And in the last node, we have the input, which corresponds exactly to the input of the previous node, and an output, which is the ID of the email this node just sent. So this is one way of testing your workflow and see that everything has been run. It's possible to remove the data of your workflow by clicking on the little trash here, up, and the workflow becomes gray again, and you can see that now all the input and output of all the nodes are completely empty. Another way to test your workflow is by clicking the test workflow button. Here it's doing exactly the same, but you can also run your workflow and test it step by step. This can be very useful in many cases. I just run this one and we see that this part of the workflow becomes green. Then I just run the middle node here, and then I run the last node here. So I can really have control over what I want to test and what I'm executing.